Welcome to Mora FC. It is what. Just look at this hole on my sleeve. You can see the hole there. So this is the fastest and easiest way how to close this hole on your t-shirt. Any part of your t-shirt, can be the back, the front, the sleeve. This one is on the sleeve side, so you can see. So this is the fastest and easiest way how to do it by just less than 1 minute. You can finish doing this one less than 1 minute. You don't need sewing machine, you don't need anything. All you gotta need is your hemming gum, and also get a fabric that matches it. If you have another fabric that matches with the same color, you use that one. Any material that matches, you can see this blue matches together, so you just have to cut a sizable. Then you cut your fusing. You can see how big I've cut my fusing. Don't cut it very small. The small fabric, don't cut it very small. If you cut it very small, it's not going to hold it lastly. So you need to cut it big, more than the hole. You know, cut a piece of fabric bigger than the hole. Do you understand? So now we're going to place it inside. There's a way how to deal with this one. Let me teach you. You make sure that it falls exactly at the center. The hole, you place it exactly at the center. You can see I'm taking my time over here, so that it's not going to shift to one side. You need to fall exactly at the center. So after it's fall exactly at the center, you need to drag it. You can see I'm dragging it. I'm making sure that I close the hole, the space in between. You just have to grab it and pull it so that the space will close. You need to close that space, and after that you just have to iron it. You can see that. Just like that, you have done. You can see how simple it is. After this, I'm going to pull it for you to see how heavy. You can see how smooth. So you have to just cut whatever that come on top. You can see I'm pulling it, but it's still holding on firmly. You know, that's why I say don't cut it very small. Just cut it a sizable. You know, Mora FC, it is what it is. So these are the simplest and the easiest way how to close. You can see how smooth, how beautiful it is. We're done. And you come to this side, the place that there's no hemming gum, you can put some of the hemming gum over there. You don't need to trim it as I'm trimming here. You don't need to trim that. You just have to put some hemming gum over there to hold that spot, because I don't want no space to be leaving behind. You know, I want all place to seal. You can see how beautiful it is. So give me a thumbs up, like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend about Mora FC. It is what you can see how smooth. It's like nothing is there. You can see simple and easy. Me out.